Go, guys, go, go. Go, forget about that now. Go, let's get in the game. I'm holding you.
Yeah.
Don't worry, I'm holding you.
Why so many undocumented foreigners in the state?
I have permits for them and I don't know.
You have permits for them,
They bring in permits.
fake permits. Why are you not employing local people?
I advertise. I advertise all the time. I go to local newspapers. I advertise. I train my own people also. It's just that I got no contracts and disemployed.
But what is the policy in terms of the numbers? How many you can employ even if you are coming from outside? You should be knowing that as a business.
Yes, about 30%.
So why then are they not 30%? Because the number is surpassing 30%. That's very unfortunate. It's unfortunate for the business, for the good work you are doing for the country and the province. And then now you are a criminal because of this. Because it's illegal. But for illegal. I'm sorry. Because now you have to answer with the police. So now the police have to tell us what going for this one of the police. We must try to avoid the cost to make this illegal. Because they enter our country illegally. I'm sorry for that. But it's very unfortunate. Because you have to really answer. The law is the law. So you have no way to hand back the law. The law remains the law. It's very unfortunate. That's not getting so bad. That's what. You know Mr. Singh, who's the deputy minister? Narek. You don't know Narek? Oh. Okay.
I know he's
Oh, but you don't know.
the deputy.
No, they are speaking to the training of the province.
Yes,
Not the minister.
Oh,
For such a good work, then the illegal activity is unfortunate, quite very unfortunate. So how many are from outside of South Africa who are working here?
but over 100.
100 is a small number. The number I have is different from this one. Because I got this information long time ago. My informants informed me about this. Because I announced that in the whole of the province, these activities must be stopped. And I said people must call and give information. So they did not give that number. They gave me a number which is more than 250
No,
for this area alone.
maybe the area, the whole area. Not just
But the police will tell because they need to get some of them. They will tell how many.
Okay, so what happens now? It closes. Factory closes.
Sorry?
We have to close.
No, the police, they will direct you. They'll tell you what to do. They'll tell you what to do. As the